Let's record the first spider of the summer. What? Has it come out?
I'm stuck. Help. Oh.
Where is it?
Oh. Somebody.
I don't see it.
Oh, Hannah, we think you're crazy.
I'm stuck.
It's probably under behind the bone.
Under my leg.
Please come help me.
Behind the bone.
Somebody please come help me.
Where? Hannah, there's nothing over
No,
there.
come here. I'm stuck. Help me. I just kept climbing.
Anyway.
Back to the spider problem.
Yeah, bring it on over there. I know it did. Is that it?
No.
Yes, yes.
That's not it. That's a nothing.
That's a turd.
No, it really did run under there. I'm not dumb. I saw it scurry about.
Wait. I see a cheese.
There was something under the guitar.
It's probably behind the bone. It's probably on the bone.
Or by Angel's hand. Kidding.
That's not even it. Alright, come over here.
I really ain't that crazy, y'all.
I already looked back there.
Hannah, don't do that unless you see it. Then we will know.
Then we won't know.
Then is it on the wall?
Move the bone.
You mean like a yard?
You do it?
No, somebody made a noise and it scared me.
Maybe we'll get the broom. Camera's staring at the carpet.
Oh, I see it.
Where?
Hannah, go over here.
Oh.
Hannah, not with the camera.
Oh my god, okay.
I see it. It's real small. It's right there.
Where?
Right there. My light's right on it. It's so close.
Wait, do it again.
It's right there.
Yeah.
Ew! He was playing hide and seek the whole time. Your camera doesn't zoom in.
Why isn't it zooming in, Hannah?
What are you doing? Get something to smash it with!
No. Shut up.
You can't smash it. That's like waving a red cape at a bull and not having a gun to
That
shoot.
thing's gonna be so big one day. Right there. Hannah.
Try to make it come out.
It's right there. If you're pushing it away.
Love the one that was screaming about it is the one beating at it.
It's over here now. Look. It's right
No,
here.
it's way back there.
Okay.
I have to plug in my